Good morning all of you. In the last class we have discussed about the working and cleaning operation of rapid gravity filters, and today we will discuss about the next type of filter, that is pressure filters. So these filters are just like your small rapid gravity filter which is placed in a closed vessel and through which water to be treated is passed under pressure. And these filters are located in an airtight vessel. So the raw water here is pumped into the vessel by means of pumps, and the pressure so developed may vary between 300 to 700 kilonewton per square meter. So next we will discuss about the construction of pressure filter. So this is the diagram of a pressure filter. So the filter vessel may be installed either in a horizontal or in a vertical position. So depending upon that, it is classified into two types. One is horizontal pressure filter or vertical pressure filter. So this is the diagram of a horizontal pressure filter. Here these pressure vessels are constructed of steel cylinders and may be riveted or welded, and the diameter generally vary between 1.5 to 3 meter. Okay, and its length or height varies from 3.5 to 8 meter. And also inspection windows, you can see here, inspection windows or manholes are provided for inspection purposes. Next we will discuss about the working operation of pressure filters. So under normal working condition, for this type of filter, coagulated water under pressure enters the filter vessel through inlet valve 1. So this one is the inlet valve which is marked as 1, and the filtered water is taken out through the outlet valve 2. Hence, during the operation of the filter, only these two valves are kept open and all other valves are kept closed. And in this case, coagulated water will enter under pressure, and the normal coagulant that is used is alum. So this is the working operation of pressure filter. Then next we will discuss about the cleaning operation of pressure filter. So cleaning of this type of filter is carried out by backwashing, as is done in case of a normal rapid gravity filter. Here also compressed air may be used in order to agitate the sand grains. So during cleaning, the inlet and outlet valve, that is valve 1 and 2, are closed. Okay, and the wash water valve 3, so this is the valve 3, this is the inlet valve for wash water, and the wash water gutter valve, that is 4, are opened. So here through the valve 3, the wash water will enter the pressure filter and then it will come out through the valve 4, that is wash water gutter valve. And after the completion of cleaning, these valves may be closed. That means after cleaning, this valve 3 and 4 is closed. But the filtered supplies should not be collected for a little time and wasted through valve 4. That means after the cleaning operation, then raw water is allowed to enter into the filter, but that water is not used for certain period of time, and it is allowed to pass through the wash water gutter valve. And after some time, the valve valve 1 and 2 are open and the clear filtered water is collected. But in this case, in case of pressure filters, it may require slightly more frequent cleaning as compared to that of rapid gravity filters. Okay. So next we will discuss about the rate of filtration. So the rate of filtration of pressure filter is much higher, that is 2 to 5 times than the rapid gravity filters. And the rate of filtration in this case normally varies between 6000 to 15,000 liters per hour per square meter of filter area. Then we will discuss about the efficiency of the pressure filter. The pressure filters are less efficient than the rapid gravity filters in removing bacteria and turbidities. But these type of filters are preferred for treating small quantities. For example, they may be installed for colonies of few houses, individual industries, swimming pools, railway stations, etc. So this is all about your pressure filter. Thank you.